Charlotte. I'm a field service representative, and I've been with Schneider Electric for 15 years. As a field service representative, I go to customers' locations. I will do commissionings of new equipment, I will do repairs on set of equipment, and preventative maintenance on these equipments. Working in the field is great. I work with a lot of different customers, everything from small businesses to large universities, small schools, high schools, to large corporations, defense contracting. My specialty is the cooling, environmental side of data centers, anything from a larger data center to a small couple rack data centers. Schneider is really great with our work-life balance. They really put a lot of power in their employees. They give you a lot of personal time, leave, no questions asked. You take the time that you need. Your family, your health comes first, especially for field techs. We have to make sure that we're on top of our game or else we're not going to be safe in the field. I would recommend working for Schneider Electric. Anyone that has any sort of knowledge when it comes to energy efficiency would make a fit somewhere in this company. If it's in the office or in the field, there is usually a spot for you. Schneider does set me up for success. They make sure that I have every tool needed, all that's easily provided, and if I need anything, I don't hesitate to ask because I know they're trying to make sure that I have what I need to make my job easy, efficient, and successful. I get excited to go to work every day because I do have a new office almost every day. I go out and I go to a new location, I meet new people. I actually feel very successful in my job. I take pride in it because I know that I installed that. I actually make that work, and now I'm making sure that it's going to continue to work in the most effective way possible.